Imagine standing under a vast, inky black sky when suddenly it lights up with vibrant, colorful curtains of light. This is not a dream but a reality in some parts of our world. There exists a phenomenon, an ethereal dance of photons that paints the polar skies with hues of green, red, yellow, and even purple. These celestial illuminations go by different names depending on where you are. In the northern hemisphere, they are known as the aurora borealis. In the southern hemisphere, they're called the aurora australis. But no matter what you call them, they remain an enigma, a spectacle that has fascinated humans for centuries. These mysterious lights are more than just a pretty sight. They are a testament to the intricate and powerful forces at work in our universe. These are the northern and southern lights, a wondrous spectacle that we'll delve into today. These ethereal light shows, known as auroras, are a result of remarkable celestial events. This spectacle begins with our sun, the fiery orb that not only provides us with light and warmth, but also continuously emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. Propelled across the vast expanse of space, these particles journey at speeds of 1,000,000 miles per hour towards Earth. As they approach, they encounter Earth's protective shield, the magnetosphere. This invisible force field, generated by the spinning of Earth's iron core, deflects most of the solar wind. However, some particles manage to sneak through the defenses, especially near the magnetic poles. Once inside the magnetosphere, these particles are funneled along magnetic field lines toward the Earth's poles. As they descend into the Earth's upper atmosphere, they collide with atoms and molecules of gases like oxygen and nitrogen. Now here's where the magic happens. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to reach higher energy states. But atoms don't like to stay excited for too long. As they relax and return to their normal state, they release energy in the form of light, and voila, we have an aurora. The color of the aurora depends on the type of gas particle involved in the collision. Oxygen at certain altitudes emits a greenish yellow or red light, while nitrogen produces blue or purplish red light. The blend of these colors creates the mesmerizing light show we know as the northern and southern lights. The intensity of the auroras can vary, influenced by solar activity and the solar cycle. During periods of high solar activity, the solar winds are stronger, leading to more particles interacting with our atmosphere and brighter, more vibrant displays. Thus, the dance of solar particles and atmospheric gases paints the sky with these breathtaking hues. Isn't it fascinating how a process occurring millions of miles away can create such a beautiful display right here on Earth? It's indeed a cosmic ballet, choreographed by the laws of physics and performed by the elements of our universe. Auroras have not only captivated our eyes but also our imaginations, inspiring countless stories and legends. These radiant light shows have been a source of fascination for centuries, with various cultures interpreting them in their own unique ways. In Norse mythology, they were believed to be the dazzling armor of the Valkyries, female warriors who chose who would die in battle. The Inuit people of Alaska saw them as the spirits of the animals they hunted, like seals, salmon, and deer. In Finland, a charming folklore tale speaks of an Arctic fox whose tail sweeps the snow, sparking the radiant colors of the aurora across the sky. But it's not just folklore and mythology. The auroras have also left their mark on the world of art and literature. They've been captured in the mesmerizing paintings of Romantic artist Frederick Edwin Church and have danced in the lines of the poetry of Robert Service. Even today, they continue to inspire artists, writers, and musicians around the globe. In a scientific age, we've come to understand the physics behind these ethereal displays. But despite this knowledge, or perhaps because of it, the auroras have lost none of their magic. They remain a symbol of the breathtaking beauty of our natural world and the mysteries it still holds. From divine omens to celestial battles, the auroras have sparked wonder across cultures and ages. Capturing the elusive beauty of auroras on film is no less than an adventure. Indeed, the ethereal dance of the northern and southern lights is a sight to behold, but capturing that spectacle requires more than just pressing a button. Photographing auroras presents unique challenges. The primary one is the light itself. Auroras are not as bright as they might seem. Their light is diffuse and often pale, especially when juxtaposed against the vast, dark expanse of the night sky. Therefore, a camera with good low-light capability is essential, but it's not just about the equipment. The key is understanding how to use it. You'll need to experiment with long exposure times, often ranging from 5 to 30 seconds, to allow the camera sensor to absorb as much of the light as possible. And don't forget a sturdy tripod to keep your camera still during these long exposures. Any movement can turn your dreamy aurora image into a blurry mess. Now let's talk about focus. In the dark, it can be tricky to get your camera to focus correctly. A handy tip is to manually set your focus to infinity during the day, then tape down the focus ring to ensure it doesn't budge at night. But capturing the aurora is not just about technicalities, it's about patience, persistence, and a bit of luck. You're at the mercy of Mother Nature and the sun's activity. There will be nights when you wait in the biting cold only to be greeted by a no-show. But there will also be nights when the sky explodes in a riot of color, making it all worth it. The aurora is a celestial ballet, a cosmic light show, and capturing it on film is an art. So let's take a moment to appreciate some of these stunning images. Each one is a testament to the beauty of our universe and the tenacity of the photographers who braved the cold to share it with us. With patience and the right tools, you too can capture this celestial ballet. Witnessing the auroras firsthand is a bucket list experience for many. These ethereal light shows can be seen in both the northern and southern polar regions of our planet. In the north, you might find yourself under the emerald and scarlet curtains of the aurora borealis in places such as Norway, Iceland, and Alaska. In the southern hemisphere, the aurora australis casts its mesmerizing lights across the vast, icy landscapes of Antarctica. The best time to witness these celestial ballets is during the winter months, when the nights are longer and the skies are darker. However, auroral activity is also dependent on solar activity, so it's a good idea to keep track of solar forecasts. Planning a trip to see the auroras requires a bit of strategy. You'll want to aim for locations with minimal light pollution and clear skies. Remember, patience is key. The auroras are a natural phenomenon and don't run on a schedule. You may have to wait for hours in the cold, so dress warmly and bring a thermos of hot coffee or cocoa to keep you cozy. It's also worth noting that the auroras are not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the soul. Standing under the vast night sky, watching the lights dance and shimmer, one can't help but feel a deep connection with the cosmos and a profound sense of awe and wonder. So pack your bags and set off for this once-in-a-lifetime celestial show. The northern and southern lights are a testament to nature's grandeur and mystery. In our journey today, we've marveled at the vibrant, colorful curtains of light painting the night sky, caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field. We've delved into the science behind these phenomena, exploring how Earth's magnetosphere and ionized gases contribute to the creation of these dazzling displays. We've also appreciated the historical and cultural significance of the auroras and how they've inspired art, literature, and folklore over the centuries. We've touched upon the challenges and techniques of capturing these celestial dances on film, and we've shared the best places and times to witness them. For those of you who have been inspired to learn more about these cosmic events, there's a wealth of resources available, from scientific papers to photography guides and travel blogs. As we bid goodbye, we leave you with the mesmerizing dance of the northern and southern lights, a spectacle that truly illuminates the wonders of our cosmos.